Welcome to Calgary's greatest new urban village, Trinity Hills. Picture your home situated at a dynamic gateway, where the edge of the city meets the foot of the Rocky Mountains. Our premium rental community is in the heart of an emerging master-planned neighborhood incorporating walkable streetscapes and a mix of boutique shops, cafes, popular large retailers, and a grocery store just steps away from your new home. Canada Olympic Park and the Pascapoo Slopes Regional Park are just a few steps further, offering a variety of world-class recreation in your backyard. It's the perfect place to live, shop, and play. Our suites blend luxurious living with the freedom of renting in a community at the edge of the city and at the foot of the Canadian Rockies. Just a few floors below your suite is a walkable streetscape under development. Soon you will be able to enjoy a stroll down the elegantly landscaped village street, socialize with friends and neighbors at a trendy cafe, or shop at one of many fine boutiques, almost from the comfort of your own home. National retailers coming soon to the Trinity Hills Urban Village include Save on Foods, PetSmart, and Mountain Equipment Co-op, while easy access to the Trans-Canada Highway and Stony Trail give you access to everything else Calgary has to offer, and beyond.